So we now proceed with example 7 for polytropic process. A frictionless piston cylinder devices contains 5 kg of nitrogen at 100 kPa and temperature of 250 Kelvin. Alright, so we sketch piston cylinder devices. Okay, inside this cylinder, it has nitrogen. Nitrogen is a gas. Please be careful. Alright, so in step 1, we have pressure of 100 kPa and temperature 250 250 Kelvin, not kilo. Alright, nitrogen is now compressed slowly according to the relation PV to the power of 1.4 is equal constant until it reached the final temperature of 360 Kelvin. So, PV to the power of 1.4 shows that this process is polytropic. So what happened? The piston or the volume is now decreased and piston is moving to new position from point 1 to point 2. So there is a work. Okay, the relationship between state 1 and state 2 given as PV to the power of 1.4 is equal constant. It means P1 V1 to the power of 1.4 is equal to P2 V2 to the power of 1.4. Okay, so before we proceed, okay, we write down the properties of state 2. So state 2, the temperature given here is 360 Kelvin. Okay, since the piston is moving from point 1 to point 2, so there is a work done. So how to calculate the work done during this process? Okay, in our notes, okay, to find boundary work for polytropic, okay, we have a formula. WB is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 over 1 minus N, or we can write it as a P1 V1 minus P2 V2 N minus 1. Okay, so have a look at this equation. Okay, we have P1 but we don't have P2. Okay, we have temperature but we don't have volume. So this formula is not suitable to find boundary work. Okay, so another alternative is we use this formula. WP is equal to MR T2 minus T1 over 1 minus N. Okay, so we have M, which is mass is 5 kilogram. R. So R, how to find R? Since this is a gas, you can always refer to table A1 and please look at the substance nitrogen and find gas constant value are for nitrogen. Okay, after you get this value, put in this equation and multiply with T2. So temperature must always be in Kelvin unit, in unit Kelvin, sorry. Okay, what is N? N is 1.4. So what is the answer? Okay, the answer is 400 minus 408 kilojoule. Okay, the negative sign shows that the volume is decreased. Thank you.